Cookbook for the Universe 2 Preface. The story of the Cookbook for the Universe is one of synthesis, a journey sparked by a single, profound question: why does anything exist at all? From this seed grew an exploration that transcends disciplines, bridging philosophy, science, and creativity. The answer lies not in isolation, but in interconnectedness, the interplay of forces and dimensions that shape the universe from its inception to its present state and beyond. This work draws on the foundations of Ex Nihilo, where the transition from nothingness to something is not a paradox, but a generative act rooted in the dimension of time and the emergence of vectors like ZR. It builds upon the theory of relative gravity RG, which reframes our understanding of forces and dimensions, moving beyond static conceptions to reveal a universe alive with harmonic resonance and dynamic equilibrium. The scientific achievements of the 20th century illuminated much about our universe. Yet they left critical gaps, disconnects between the quantum and the cosmic, between the theoretical and the observable. The Cookbook for the Universe seeks to bridge these gaps, offering a new perspective that honors the legacy of scientific thought while forging a bold path forward. By Ryan Carl Daly. 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity. To describe the mechanics of the universe central to this endeavor are the key principles of relative gravity RG. Symmetry, the foundation of natural laws conserved across scales, providing coherence within diversity. Interconnectedness, the intrinsic relationships between microcosmic particles and macrocosmic structures, forming a seamless continuum. Evolutionary nature, forces and dimensions as dynamic entities that adapt, evolve, and transform over time. These principles are not merely theoretical constructs, they are practical tools for understanding and engaging with the cosmos. Whether contemplating the formation of galaxies, the emergence of life, or the potential of hypothetical matter, these principles offer a cohesive framework for inquiry, discovery, and inspiration. The scope of RG enables it to address the universe's interconnectedness, while its precision brings clarity to complex relationships. By combining a holistic view with detailed modeling, RG stands as a powerful framework for advancing our understanding of existence and solving problems that traditional theories cannot fully explain. The scope and focus of relative gravity. Explaining dark matter and dark energy. RG incorporates impedance into its framework, viewing dark matter and dark energy as complementary phenomena influencing gravitational interactions. Modeling alternating currents. The universe is conceptualized as a plasma of alternating currents, clarifying how energy and matter interact dynamically across systems. Cohesive view of the universe. RG's broad scope and precise focus allow it to explain phenomena ranging from particle interactions to galaxy formations, creating a unified picture of the cosmos. Practical applications. Beyond theoretical insights, RG has the potential to inspire advancements in energy systems, propulsion technologies, and computational models of the universe. To the physicist, the philosopher, the dreamer, and the seeker, the Cookbook for the Universe is your invitation to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. It is a guide to understanding what is known, a challenge to question what is assumed, and a gateway to imagining what could be. As you turn these pages, may you find not just answers but inspiration. Let this book be a bridge between what we know and what we have yet to discover, a testament to the power of curiosity and the enduring quest for understanding. Ryan Carl Daly, December 2024.